Hey, what's up, guys? John here with Maniacs Garage, and I'm actually here with Adam. Adam, what's up, man?
What's going on?
Man, we were pulling into this thing this morning, and I hear this like bus pulling in, and I'm looking for one, but I don't see it.
Right.
I see this. Why don't you tell about this thing? I mean, just kind of tell us, what is it, and then kind of what inspired you to do it.
Okay, this is my 1949 Autocar. It was a semi-truck originally. It was a old fuel truck, actually, delivery truck. And then we went with a Bluebird school bus, 1989 Ford chassis. I mean, it was long.
So wait a minute. So you took this truck cab.
Yep.
You got it from out of state. You're telling me off camera.
Yeah.
You got it over here.
Yep.
And then you guys get this bus.
Mm-hmm.
How long was the bus?
Oh, the buses are long. They're like 32 feet long.
32-foot bus. So you shorten this chassis down through this.
Take feet out of it, just feet. Get that wheelbase where you want it, tolerable. You can drive it still.
It looks like it's a 2-foot channel.
Yeah, it's 18 inches. 18
inches. All right, it's a foot and a half.
The cab sitting on top of it would have been ridiculously high.
So tire size, man. I mean, look, this thing is like,
military 53s.
53-inch tire. That's the diameter from right there to right there. How much do these things weigh?
They're almost 500 pounds for a wheel and tire. 500
pounds for wheel and tire.
They're
per corner.
Yeah. Yep.
I don't even want to know how much they are. It's just crazy. So 53-inch tires sitting on this chassis from a bus.
Yep.
So we were hearing people, talking about like, oh, this thing can't be street legal. Tell us, what does this thing do? How does it behave on the road?
I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, it's over width. It's a challenge. And the tires and the visibility, you add all those things in there, and it took a while to learn how to drive it, but now that I can, it's fine. It's totally fine.
But your buddy Brendan was telling me that it can do 80 on the freeway.
It's good on the freeway.
I mean that's got to be crazy. It's a spectacle going down the freeway. Yeah. People must get in accidents, around you.
All the time. Yep. People follow me home. People, anytime. It's just like they come back and they'll take my, can I take a picture? Yeah, of course, yeah. Wherever you go, wherever,
I mean, it's so unique, man. It really is one of the most unique vehicles I think that I've seen. I've seen a lot of stuff out there, and I gotta just hand it to you, man. It's super cool. So you got air brakes on it.
Yeah,
this thing. Tell us about the engine in this thing.
Well, it's the original Ford turbo diesel, 475 cubic inch. Still pretty much stock inside. Just put that cool air.
What's the horsepower? What's the torque?
240 horsepower.
That doesn't sound like a lot, but what's the torque?
650.
650 torque.
I mean, it moves. I mean, it's not going to win any races, but it does everything. When it's empty like this, it's still fun to drive. It's a hoot.
So I heard that it will spin those back tires.
It can. Yep. Yeah.
That's pretty unbelievable,
man. Needs
a
little bit of help, a little water,
a little help, and it'll just
sand,
get it spinning.
But you'll let them go. Yeah.
Oh, and then the headlights. So I'm walking by and I'm like, man, those things look like, and I just took a wild guess, Buick Riviera. It could have been a few others.
Close. 69 T-Bird.
Okay, 69 T-Bird.
So. Yeah, they're the clam.
All right. Yeah. So cool, man. So they actually work, huh?
Yeah.
You can shut them, open them.
They're manual, but
that's brilliant,
they still work.
That's brilliant.
Just needed something, and I wanted them vertical too to make it look different.
So tell us and tell the viewers, like what was like the most challenging? I mean, there's a lot of challenging things about this build, I'm sure, but what was the most challenging if you can pick one?
Alignment of the suspension, not only the channel, but the shortening to get it all square when you're done.
It can go a lot of different ways that it shouldn't go in.
Twisted. I don't have a fancy frame rack. I got a concrete floor and floor jacks. Yeah. So trial and error, and there was a lot of error. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. But just getting it true was probably the biggest challenge.
So I love that, because really like our channel is this is what it's about, It's just doing it in your garage. It's no fancy stuff, no big money stuff.
Exactly.
It's just the will and, some tools, because you need some.
Exactly.
And then just doing it.
Yep.
So how long have you been wrenching on this thing?
2.5. It was a year and a half of working before I could drive it.
Actual work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Still got bugs.
Oh yeah. I mean, no custom cars ever done.
Exactly.
Right.
That's it right now. It's the fun stuff kind of now.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we went to Vegas in April. Fine. They're back. No trouble.
Drove it to Vegas from here, from Phoenix?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So cool.
Yeah. Fine. I mean, did great.
So cool.
Yep. And I got 15 miles of the gallon. So I was pretty happy with that.
Dude, that is so crazy.
It's got a 60-gallon tank in it.
What does it weigh?
10,750.
10,750
That's where the 5-ton Fred come in. Yeah. Yep.
Wow, man. And you tow a trailer with it sometimes, I heard?
Yeah, yeah, good car trailer. Yep. I can haul hot rods with it. Yeah, it's fully legal. It's wider than the car trailer is, so that's a little bit different. That's weird, because usually your car trailers are sticking out of your tow vehicle, but this thing's opposite. It's actually narrower.
If the front fits, the trailer fits.
Exactly.
That's crazy.
Yep, not going through any drive-throus, but yeah.
Seats, they look really weird. I don't know, what are those seats? Are they like, is this the truck seats that it came with? Or they look like some aircraft seats.
Yeah, that they are. Lockheed Martin Minesweeper.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're actually a bomber seat. People get bomber seats, you know, bomber seats.
Yeah, these are the real bomber seats,
yeah.
man.
Yep, new ones are probably more comfortable and everything, but these are legit, fully adjustable, got all the 5-point harnesses.
It's so proper too. It's so proper.
Oh, talk about a
I
good
mean, it
fit.
just looks really cool.
Yep, it was
and the
perfect.
fact that they're actually comfortable, I mean, that's like a bonus.
It is.
You know?
Armrest, I mean, they're made to put hours in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's super
really
cool.
good.
You know, we just want to always share with the viewers, you know, to just kind of encourage them to,
Yes.
you know, if you're inclined a little bit, you have a little desire like we're talking, you know, just get out there and, you know, start wrenching on something. It's really cool, you know, especially if you have no deadlines and, you know, budgets are always interesting, you know, but creativity can really override some of the budget stuff, you know.
COVID kind of pushed you in the shop more.
Yeah,
less
you had more
outside,
time to
more
do
in the
it.
Shop
you know?
time.
Yeah.
And that kind of hurried things up a little bit. So that kind of helped me in a way. And I got laid off for a while and then put some time into this. And it really helped out.
So it helped us too, because we were supposed to have our 49 Ford body swap BMW at SEMA the year before. It was a 2020 SEMA car.
Pushed it.
And it pushed it to 2021, which was a blessing because we were not going to be ready. I mean, we were going to get it done,
like many
but it was going to be, you know, so even with the extra year, we were still struggling to get it done at the last minute. So, so that's cool. So, hey man, thank you so much. You know, really appreciate your time, and this is so fun, man. It's such a cool rig.
Awesome.
So yeah, good luck with the shows, and good luck driving to anywhere, and you know, spending all that extra time, you know, talking to people, because that's just how it is.
Grocery stores to gas stations to anywhere, it turns into 30-minute experiences.
Yeah,
meet a lot of good people though, a lot of nice people.
Yeah, for sure. It's super cool. So hey guys, we thank you guys so much for watching. We see you guys in the next episode.